Hello everyone, my name is Gifty and welcome to my channel. Today's Delight. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious oven grilled tilapia. Yes, you're having grilled tilapia today. And in my sink here, I have two tilapia which I'm going to clean. So I'm going to cut all the fins out and also take the gill out. And I'm going to cut the mouth of the fish. You can choose to leave the mouth if you want, and also wash it and clean it with some fresh lemon. So now our fish has been cleaned with some fresh lemon to take out the fishy smell. So I'm doing some little cut on both sides of the fish to make sure when you put your seasoning, it goes into the fish to build up the flavors and also make sure it's easy to cook on the skin. And I'm going to season it with some salt and leave it there for about 30 minutes. So now we are about to start with our fish sauce. Our border knife has been cleaned because you don't want any cross contamination. I have here some 2 jalapenos chilies, 3 scotch bonnet, and some ginger with the 1 green bell pepper, with 2 onions and 2 cherry tomatoes. And I also have some fresh rosemary and some maggi seasoning and some fennel. And I'm going to put everything in the blender and add a bit of water and blend everything. So now we're about to start with my sauce. In my pan here, I have some sunflower oil. You can choose to use any oil of your choice. And I added my blended sauce to cook for about 20 minutes. So now our sauce is ready, and we have to make sure it's cooled down completely before we use it to marinate our fish. So whilst our sauce is cooling down, I'm going to prep some vegetables to garnish our fish. I have some bell peppers and some onions. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to press the notification button. Thank you. So now our sauce has completely cooled down, and we are going to use it to marinate our fish. Make sure it's cooled down because we don't want any hot sauce on our fish because it will start cooking the fish. I'm using my bare hands. You can choose to wear gloves. I'm using my bare hands to make sure I put everything in the fish. You open the little cuts and put all the sauce in there to make sure your fish tastes delicious. And also open the head and put everything in there. Yes, make sure the fish looks saucy and delicious. So here I have my pan and my rack. I put some oil on it so that it doesn't stick on the rack. And also I put some oil in the pan, and I'm going to put some of the vegetables under the rack to make sure the sauce from the fish goes into the vegetables to taste delicious. So now our fish is ready to go into our grilled oven on 250 Fahrenheit. So after 50 minutes of grill, now we are going to turn the fish over and also cook it for about 15 minutes on the other side. As you can see, we are going to flip it over and add more sauce to it and spread it all around it to make sure our fish tastes delicious. You can also see the juices coming out from the fish, and our vegetables looks cooked and delicious. So after 15 minutes of cooking on both sides, our fish looks so moist and juicy. And look at our vegetables. You can see how the juices from the fish has gone into our vegetables, and it looks so delicious. Please try this recipe for me. And as you can see, the finishing touches on this grilled tilapia. Please bring your banku, and please don't forget you can eat some fried yam, some fried chips with it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.